In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Fireflies Ai Name. If you use Fireflies to capture and transcribe your meetings, the bot name is what shows up when it joins calls. Changing it can make your meeting assistant feel more on-brand and easier for guests to recognize. Here's exactly how to do it, with a few tips to keep things smooth along the way. First, head to your Fireflies dashboard and sign in. From there, open Settings, then go to the Account section. This is where all account level changes live, including the bot name update. Before you proceed, there's an important note. The name change feature isn't available during the free trial. It's only offered on paid plans such as Pro, Business, or Enterprise, and it requires submitting a request form along with payment. If you're on a trial, you won't see the option to update the bot name. Once you're on an eligible plan, you'll be able to continue. Inside Account Settings, look for the Request or Form option related to changing your bot's name. Click it to open the request. You'll be asked to enter your new bot name with a maximum of 30 characters. Keep it short, clear, and professional. Aim for something that teammates and external guests will immediately recognize, like your company name or a concise, role-based label. Double-check spelling, avoid excessive punctuation, and make sure it aligns with any internal naming standards you already use. When you're happy with the name, submit the form. If payment is required with your plan, follow the prompts to complete it. After you submit, you'll receive a confirmation email. Keep an eye on your inbox and your spam or junk folder just in case. The Fireflies team handles the update on their end, so there may be a short processing time while they apply the change. Once you get that confirmation, your bot's name will be updated and will appear in your meetings going forward. You'll see the new name when Fireflies joins calls on platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. If you don't notice the change immediately, give it a little time for the update to propagate across services. That's it. Start at the dashboard, go to Settings and Account, confirm you're on a paid plan, open the request form, enter a concise name under 30 characters, submit, and watch for the confirmation email while the Fireflies team updates it. With this done, your meeting assistant will show up exactly as you want in every call.